It was the height of the Cold War. Fingers hovered over nuclear buttons, satellites watched the skies. Then one day, NORAD's radar showed hundreds of Soviet missiles incoming. America prepared to retaliate, but there was just one problem. The missiles didn't exist, and the cause? A math error. Welcome to Mind and Marvel, where science, tech, and history collide. Today we're diving into one of the tensest moments in human history, when a simple computer mistake nearly triggered global annihilation. It's the early 1980s. The Cold War is burning cold, but it's ready to go hot. The US and the Soviet Union are locked in a deadly game of chess, each bristling with thousands of nuclear warheads. To keep watch, the US builds a state-of-the-art warning system. NORAD, North American Aerospace Defense Command, is tasked with one job: detect incoming missiles and respond fast. Very fast. June 3, 1980. NORAD's computers flash a terrifying alert. 220 Soviet missiles are inbound. The military prepares to launch a counterstrike. Presidential advisors are awakened. Strategic bombers take off. Missile silos warm up. Then, just as fast, the alert disappears. A second check reveals no missiles, nothing at all. The culprit? A faulty 46-cent computer chip and a math error in the code. A malfunctioning chip caused the computer to randomly insert false missile data into real-time radar feeds. NORAD's system didn't know how to interpret the mistake, so it did the worst thing possible: it treated it as real. Think of it like this: your GPS suddenly says you're in the middle of the ocean, so your phone calls the Coast Guard. Incredibly, just 3 days later it happened again. This time the alert said 2,200 missiles, the full Soviet arsenal. It looked like a first strike. Once again, US bombers scrambled into the skies, and once again, it was all false. This second scare prompted immediate action. Backups were installed, code was rechecked, redundancies were built in, but the fact remained: twice in 72 hours, a math mistake nearly ended civilization. These weren't the only close calls during the Cold War. In 1983, a Soviet officer named Stanislav Petrov refused to trust his computer when it showed incoming missiles, another false alarm. He likely saved the world. These stories remind us, technology isn't infallible, and when your systems are designed for total war, even the tiniest bug can mean the end. So, how close did we really come? In a world driven by code, where AI runs defense systems and nuclear arsenals still exist, the ghost of that 46-cent chip still haunts us. Could it happen again? What other hidden bugs are ticking away in the background? Tell us what you think in the comments. Have you heard of other near-miss disasters in science or history? Hit like, subscribe, and let us know what story you want us to untangle next.